Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I prepare my hair for bed. This is my nighttime routine. I wasn't even gonna make this video because I am so tired. I'm so tired, y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. As soon as I'm done recording this video, I am going to knock out. But I just wanted to show you a few different ways that I tie my hair up at night, and this is good for braids or Senegalese twists, Havana twists, whatever, any type of protective twisted braided style. This will be good for you. So the first thing I do is I just take my oil and I go ahead and oil my scalp. And I just give myself a little bit of a scalp massage just to make sure that the oil is penetrating my scalp. So I don't do this every night, but I probably do it every other night. Then I just go ahead and massage my whole scalp, but not being too rough because I don't want to mess up my roots or anything. So just gently. So method number one for how I do my hair at night. This is probably the easiest style, and this is probably how I'm going to wear my hair tonight. If y'all do not have one, I highly suggest that you invest in a jumbo bonnet. Get you a jumbo bonnet, girl. It can hold everything, okay? Everything. So what I do, and you know, these twists are really long. They're literally waist length. They touch my butt. They're really long. But with this, all I do is put my hair in there like that. And bam. It doesn't hurt or anything, and this is not gonna slide off because this is stretchy and adjustable to your head. And I think that this is really good for when you have braids, because you know, when you first get braids, they're like super tight, like you don't want to put them up in a bun. So I would highly suggest this. And then when you take it out, your hair isn't like all messed up or anything. Like, my hair isn't like bent, so that's really good. So I love doing this method. I sleep perfectly fine. This is how I'm gonna go to sleep tonight, just to let y'all know. So method number two, if you don't have a jumbo bonnet and you want to wear your hair down like this, you could just put your hair in a low ponytail and just take a scarf and just wrap it around the top so that your roots won't get messed up. That's it. And last but not least, this is the last style. I mean, I think this style everybody does when they go to sleep, but it's the most painful if you just have new fresh braids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun. And what I love about Marley twists is that they do not hurt at all. Like, when I first do them, they don't hurt at all. So I could just put my hair up in a bun immediately and don't feel any pain. And I'm just taking a scarf and just wrapping this around and tucking the ends in, and that's it. Go to sleep. So that is basically it for how I do my hair at night, so that when you wake up in the morning, your hair will be absolutely fine. If you haven't seen the video on how I did my Marley twists, they're super duper easy and only took me an hour to do. Go ahead and check that video out. I'll go ahead and link that up above. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.